Aww. Did everyone leave but you? Hey, Butters. Aw, baby, I see what happened. Let me go find him for you. Aw, well, at least there's a few of you. I see what happened. Let's see. Oh, great, and a goat got out. Holy crap. Hello, girls and boy. You left Ducky and everyone up there. What's up with that? Okay, I'll let you stay out because it's been a minute. As long as you stay over here, I'm not losing any more food, okay? So stay here, you're good. Chiron, you too. Oh my gosh. What's up, man? Everybody's flying the coop. And Penny's still out. I bet you're gonna get hungry at some point, right? At least you're not going anywhere. Hello, everybody. Come on! Time to go! Dinner time! Are you escorting me? Alright, what's up? Okay, let's do this. Hey, come on! Are you hungry? Oh, not yet. You're not gonna come all the way over here, are you? That's so unfair. I bet you if I go get feed, though. Sorry, girls and boy. Look at you growing up. Wow. Oh my goodness. These are cool clouds, though. Okay, as long as you stay over here and don't be touching everything else you destroyed here and there and there and there. But this is good. Okay. But seriously, it's not fair, and I can't let everyone out at this hour. I'll pick you some more weeds, though. Okay, see? And that's exactly why you're not allowed here. You killed my comfrey, and yeah, see, no, 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 no. Thankfully, babies are starting to come back, but yeah. Okay. So this is where I have to, oh my god, now you're gonna kill my last pepper. Okay, this is where I act like a crazy person and scare you up the hill. I'm gonna get you. Yeah, you. See? Look at this bed. It's empty except for that one. There were 4. Bye. Bye. Up the hill. Up the hill. Up the hill. Oh, hey. Up the hill. Up the hill. Yep, no, no. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Ah, shit. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of you up there. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Oh! Neptune. Up, up, up. Up, up. Come on. Yep, nope, nope. You're going in. You're going in. You want me to pick you up or you want to walk around? Okay, here we go. Time to go inside. I can act crazier than you. Oh, yeah. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Yeah. Okay. Come on, go. They're not gonna listen. I gotta just... Man, nobody listens. What up, Bobby? Hey guys, you gotta get back in here. Seriously. They're never gonna let me get him. And I just decided this is too funny to like... not share. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. You're getting closer. Okay, you're getting closer. You're getting closer. Come on. Whoa, I got you. Dang it. Okay, I'll get you. All right, here you go. Oh, shit. Dang it. I'm never gonna get you. You know you want in. I'm only trying to help. Plus, I don't want to eat you. You can't kill any more of my plants. I have no food. Oh, really, big boy? Ah, watch you run. Yeah, touched by a girl. Okay, here, let's do it. 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 Come on. I'm serious. Oh, come on, not again. God. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You gotta go up. You're going the wrong way. 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 Oh. And my lemon balm. You killed my lemon balm. Come on. Ah! I just barely started to get these to grow again. Go! You're gonna make me start eating you guys, huh? Because you're not gonna leave me any food left. And then I have no choice if you're the only thing I have to eat. Guys, this is not fair. It's 12 against 1! Look, you took my onion out. Jerk! You got your own onions. Dude, okay, seriously, we're gonna have some problems. You can't walk on my food like this. Get the out. I'm serious, get the out. You too, get the out. Good, go! 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 Good, thank you, Bobby. Get him, get him, get him. Go, this way. You're going the wrong way. Go, 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 go. You're gonna make me a chicken eater. You're gonna make me a chicken eater. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. I'm serious, man. Don't make me a chicken eater. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. At least, I think most of you are here. So, I just need to grab another fence real quick. Come on, dudes. I got work to do. I have shit on the stove. Are you mad because I keep calling you dudes? Come on. This ain't no politically correct place. Dudes, go. Go, 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 go. Good, 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 good. We're going to do it like this. We're not going to get on the sidewalk. No, we're not. No, we're not, because you destroyed enough over here already. Nope, nope. Nope. Go. Go. Go! Go, 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 go! 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 Oh my God. You guys. You clickers. Get out. Okay. Alright, come on, I'll get the door. I'll get the door, be patient. Go, 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 go. Nope. Now you're gonna make me go around. Go. Go. It's a maze. Go. Go. Okay. Alright. Let's try this again. See how many more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, guys. Now it's your turn. Time to go. Time to go. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Out. Out. Okay, you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Look, they made a hole over there too. Okay, come on, you have to come this way right now. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, I hate you guys. Go! Go! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go! All right, how many do we have now? Man, so much work. Okay. 1, 2. There's 3 ducks. There's 3 blacks. Oh, okay, there's the other, okay, 2 browns. There's the other black and white. I think I got turkey. What up, Butters? Bobby, let's go. Let's go. Or not. All right, we just got 1 more. Maybe she'll let me pick her up. Not. Look at this cute little baby. Another baby. You were a baby once, and you were just a potted baby last year from her. Okay, 1 more chicken, and I'm gonna save the baby onion. In fact, if she lets me pick her up, she could have it. Just kidding. All right, buddy. You know you want back in there. That's why you're running and you're trying. That's why you're right there. So why don't you just let me help you? Make this easier for everyone. I've had my exercise allotment for the day. The skies are going to open up. And then what are you going to do? Oh, yeah, you backed yourself into a corner, didn't you? Oh, no. Now what? No! You still got me. That's only because I have 1 hand. So technically, you have an advantage. All right, go. Out! You're going the wrong way. Wrong way! Wrong way. Wrong way. This is the right way. This is the... No, see, we have to do this every time. Don't we? Open the door. Let me come around here. Jerks. Go. Nope. Yep. Go back. Go back. You got to be a good girl. Freya, go. Oh my God, I think I won. That was a whole bunch of extra exercise I did not want. Holy shit. This isn't good enough? Really? 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 We gotta talk about this. You gonna lay me a golden egg now? Love you. Mwah.